Hey, so I found one of the most perfect tools if you're going to be doing some remodeling or even demolition work. Check out this trim puller, but it's actually much more than that. You can pull off trim, you can pull off door casings, flooring, you can pull off drywall, and a variety of other things. Another cool thing is you could see it has this angled, beveled front to it that allows you to get into and underneath the flooring or the baseboard that you're going to be pulling off. And this can easily slide right underneath your flooring. And then you can use it to pry it right off very easily. And just see how the one piece stays down while the other side can get underneath to pry up. It can also, because of the large surface here, prevent any further damage to your flooring or your walls. It has this nail puller right here, and you can easily pull out nails from the wall without causing any damage to the wall. So the width of this is just under 4 inches. And if that's too wide for you to get into what you're looking to do, check this out. On the other side here, you just simply lift that up, fold it. It has a nice spring in there. And then you use this to latch it down. And now you have one that's just about 2¼ inches approximately there. Another really cool thing about this is it has this ergonomic and shock absorbing handle. It fits the hand really nicely there. Even has a little hole there so you can hang it on your pegboard or something like that. This is made out of a nice hardened steel that has this black powder coating on it. This is excellent for removing baseboard. You simply hit it down, get it down in there, and then just pry it back. A traditional pry bar like this, when you put it down in here, it's going to cause a lot of damage to your walls, especially drywall. This, because it has a nice big large flat surface, it's not going to cause all that damage like a traditional pry bar would. And this can very easily be used to remove door casings as well. Simply get it in there, tap it in with your hammer, and then you can just pry it right off. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Pick one of these up today and save yourself a ton of work.